In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an affiliate on Gumroad. First, open the Gumroad website in your browser and sign in to your account. After logging in, click on the dashboard button at the top right corner. Before adding affiliates, make sure affiliate access is enabled for your product and that the product is already published. Now scroll down the left sidebar, click on your profile name and open the affiliates section. Here, click on the Add Affiliate button. Next, enter the email address of the creator or person you want to add as an affiliate. After that, choose the commission percentage you want to offer. For example, if you enter 10%, the affiliate will earn 10% from every successful sale they generate. Now, select or paste the product URL for the product you want them to promote. Once everything is ready, click Add Affiliate. The affiliate will then appear in your affiliate dashboard where you can manage their access and track their performance. You can also provide affiliates with marketing materials like product images, promotional copy, email templates, and clear payout information to help them promote your product more effectively. And that's how to add an affiliate on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.